how is it going on? So today I'm going to explain you a bit longer video in which we will understand how to make money online. So why there is a need of earning money online or have a passive income. So more people are looking for ways to make money online besides requiring little to no startup cost. These methods let you work from anywhere on a flexible schedule. Often all you need to get started is a computer or a mobile device and a strong internet connection. So COVID-19 also accelerated the growth of e-commerce market recently. Many have become housebound due to the pandemic, increasing the number of people buying and selling goods online or also working online with the passive income. To help you join this lucrative industry, I have compiled online money-making ideas. I will split these ideas into various lists and streak of methods to make quick cash and strategies for long-term earnings. Hopefully, this video will inspire you to start your own online businesses and other ventures. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest ways for the students to make money fast, and this is the topic that we will cover into this video today. So this topic will be covered based on one example also, so that you can understand how you can enroll into the program and how you can get the money step by step. So this is more or less helpful for the college going students or the university students also. Even if you are a professor, then this is a video for you. So, however, make sure you aren't committing plagiarism and academic misconduct by selling the school notes. For example, do not disclose the assignments or tests and avoid distributing the copyrighted material. The safest bet is to sell the notes containing general but insightful information about a subject such as modules, flashcards and study guides, etc. So be careful not to present your notes as a facts, since they are supplementary study material for the documents. Aside from students or alumni messages, boards and community forums, here are like some of the 3 best places to make money online by selling the school notes. The number one that I like very much is Nexus notes. They offer around 50% commission per note sale. Then there is a note exchange. They sell the notes for like $5 to $40 plus and earn like 100% commission if you become an affiliate on that website. Then third one is NotesGen. NotesGen is like having a lot of user base. For example, they have 5.5 million plus users. So this is also an India-based platform, accepts handwritten notes and presentation slides. But it is not limited to India only, it can be used anywhere in the world. So you can also enroll there if you are not from the India as well. Study notes goes for like 100 to 1000 bucks on the one class also. There you can earn like up to 20% of the recurring revenue from your notes that are being sold or referred. So let us understand how the notes business work out, or how you can earn money with your notes. So let us understand this with the example of Nexus Notes. That is the best website that I have known so far. So what is the Nexus Notes exactly? Nexus Notes is an online marketplace for students and professionals to learn from other top students around the world. Learners pay a subscription to access the tens of thousands of learning materials uploaded by the Nexus authors. So Nexus authors is where we will be there, like you and me, who are willing to earn the money from selling the notes. We will be like author. So Nexus reviews the content and grades to ensure a high quality learning experience also. So it's not like that you can just go there and start writing some gibberish or start selling it. So it will be graded first before it can be available to the students or the actual end user. So how does the Nexus work? It's very simple. Students or professionals upload their learning materials, notes, course summaries and professional materials or study guides to the Nexus, and those looking to learn can review the content and subscribe. Notes are verified by Nexus to ensure the quality also. So got a set of notes from your course or profession, then you can just go to the Nexus and put your notes or upload there in the PDF format. Okay. Then you might ask me the question that how can you subscribe there? So you can either subscribe to an annual plan at like $6 per month or monthly plan of like $30 per month, and then you will be able to access to like 30 documents per month depending on the either plan. So why you should subscribe on that is also a question. There are thousands of students and professionals worldwide use Nexus to either improve their grades, help the study, or an exam or professional qualification. So or just to learn something new. With the Nexus, you have the access to hundreds of thousands of pages of relevant and high quality content at your fingertips, which is also graded before they reach to you. So these are also from the best people to learn from. So those that have successfully navigated what you are going through right now. So this is the best shot for you to learn. And how do author earnings are working on the Nexus? So Nexus pay authors, people like you who uploaded the study materials, on a percentage basis on the monthly revenue that Nexus collects from its premium subscribers each month. So how much you get paid depends on how many subscribers have added your notes to their library last month. So how much money can a Nexus author or you can make? So while earnings are not guaranteed, like they are not fixed, so high quality and well structured documents are usually most popular and earn more as compared to others. So on average, Nexus authors make hundreds per year uploading their documents, and like top earners are making thousands of dollars every year. That is what the study or the blog of the Nexus suggests. So if you have got any existing notes sitting on your computer just like that, then upload them by converting them into the PDF format and see how they do it for you. Then where Nexus is available? Nexus is available everywhere, like in terms of geolocation we are talking about. So Nexus has like learning materials from over 50 countries around the world, including US, UK, New Zealand and Canada, Malaysia, Australia, India, Kenya, Scotland, Spain, Japan and many other well-known countries. So if your university is not listed on the Nexus website, then you can also reach out to the team at nexusnotes.com. That is their official email ID to reach out to them, and they will make it sure that it gets added into you, so that your students or your fellow members can start following you and subscribing to your content, and so that you can earn a lot of money from that. Okay, and there is a last question for this one. What sort of notes can be uploaded? So you can upload any notes, summaries or templates, frameworks or course guides that you have produced throughout your studies. Okay, so this has to be related to some course. It does not has to be gibberish only. Then what can't be uploaded on the Nexus? Nexus notes won't approve materials that have been created by your university or the author of the third party. Okay, so they also do not accept assignments, essays, practicals or take-home exams because they only love notes which are capable of teaching you something, and by using which or referring which you can understand your homeworks. Okay, so that is how it works. It has to be pure notes that is coming out of you only. So what does verification mean? Verification is, in addition to the notes, they also encourage students to upload a copy of their academic transcript. So, okay, this can be screenshot from the university's online portal or scanned image. So if your notes are verified and they are ticked, then they will appear to the next to the university notes. So if you have got a great notes and with a bad grades, then can you still upload it? That is also a question that is being asked by students. So yes, as long as they are high quality, they can be accepted by the Nexus, and you can still go ahead and earn money with that notes. So how long does it take to upload? So uploading notes is very quick and easy on the Nexus. It can take as little as 15 seconds per set of the notes, or you could have uploaded several sets of the notes in the time to take it to the readers. Okay. Then next is like whether Nexus is legal or not. So yes, as long as the students and professionals submitting the notes for approval, they have produced notes themselves, then yes, it is entirely legal and you can upload it and start earning with this. So guys, I hope that you have understood how the selling notes business works. This is basically for everyone who is enthusiastic to learn or teach, and you can also pass on this message to your fellow students or fellow learners and start earning money with this one. Thank you guys, hope you like this.